Is this a phone or NASA equipment? The new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra just dropped, and it's got more cameras than a film crew at your wedding. Grinning face with sweat. Hey everyone, welcome back to Honest Academy, your one-stop destination for all things tech. Today, we're diving deep into Samsung's newest beast, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. From camera performance to battery life, we're breaking it all down. So grab your popcorn and let's get started. First up, the design. Samsung's gone full sci-fi this time. You get a titanium armor frame, lighter than steel, tougher than ever. The phone feels premium, sleek, and yes, even slimmer than the S24 Ultra. The edges are slightly curved, the bezels are thinner, and the phone now supports IP69 water resistance, which means it can survive more than just your tears after checking the price. Grinning squinting face. Available in stunning colors like Phantom Black, Titanium Silver, Arctic Blue, and a limited edition Galaxy Glow. The 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 3X display is jaw-dropping. 144 Hz refresh rate. 4000 nits peak brightness. HDR10 Plus support. Whether you're gaming, watching Netflix, or editing videos, this screen is a treat for your eyes. Bonus: it has Samsung's new adaptive color AI, which adjusts colors based on your surroundings. You don't even need to tweak the brightness anymore, it's that smart. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, with 4nm architecture. Paired with 16GB LPDDR5X RAM, and up to 1TB UFS 4.1 storage, this thing flies. Gaming, multitasking, editing 8K videos, you name it. Running on One UI 7 based on Android 15, the software is clean, intuitive, and now deeply integrated with Galaxy AI. Need to edit a photo? It suggests it for you. Want to reply to an email? It drafts it. And yes, it includes Samsung DeX, secure folder, and satellite-based emergency SOS. Now let's talk about what everyone's excited for, the cameras. The S25 Ultra packs 200MP main sensor, f/1.4, low light king. 50MP ultra wide, with macro capabilities. 50MP 5x periscope telephoto. And a new 50MP variable telephoto, 3x to 10x hybrid zoom. Front camera? 24MP with dual pixel autofocus. Even your selfies look cinematic. Camera features: 8K at 60 frames per second video recording. Super Steady Mode 3.0. AI auto framing and object tracking. Nightography 2.0, now even better in pitch dark scenes. Astro Mode, yes, take photos of the Milky Way. Battery life? You're covered. 5,500 mAh battery. 65W wired fast charging. 35W wireless charging. 10W reverse wireless for accessories. Charging from 0 to 100 takes about 38 minutes, just enough time for your favorite playlist. So, is the Galaxy S25 Ultra the best phone of 2025? Honestly, yes. It's fast, smart, powerful, and packed with future-forward features. If you're a tech lover, content creator, or productivity beast, this phone is built for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and comment below, would you buy the S25 Ultra or wait for the Fold 6? Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious and stay techy.